Now we will continue solving lesson 3, cell division. Question number 4. Answer the following questions. Which stage of the cell cycle usually lasts the longest? We mentioned before, cell cycle, regular sequence, the cell undergoes to repair the damaged cells or reproduce and make cell division. The first stage and is the longest one is interphase. Interphase almost takes 21 hours. The whole cell cycle time. The interphase itself, it takes 19 hours. So, which stage of the cell cycle usually lasts the longest is the interphase. So write interphase. Interphase. Stage. Number 2. During which stage of the cell cycle does the cell membrane pinch the cell into two? Sure, the last stage. Yes, we mentioned before the three main stages in the cell cycle: interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. So the last one is cytokinesis, is the stage of the cell cycle. The cell membrane pinches the cell into two. So the answer is cytokinesis stage. Cytokinesis stage. Yes. Number 3. During which stage of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur? Copy the organelles inside the cell. This is happen during the interphase, the first stage. Yes, because it's the longest one. It takes time for replication. So this is happen during the first stage, interphase. So the answer is interphase. Interphase stage. Phase. Sorry. Interphase stage. Number 4. Which stage of the cell cycle does cytoplasm divide? Also, cytoplasm divide itself in the last stage, in cytokinesis stage. So division of cytoplasm happen in the last one, cytokinesis stage. Cytokinesis stage. Last one. Which stage of the cell cycle does the cell's nucleus divides into two nuclei? شفنا السؤال ده قبل كده في الماتش. Which stage of the cell cycle does the cell's nucleus divides into two nuclei? In the second stage, mitosis. In the second stage, mitosis. Stage. Okay. Number 5. Other question. Phases of mitosis. We mentioned before we have 4 phases for mitosis. Prophase, yes, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. What happens during prophase? Chromatin condenses. Yes, chromatin condenses and duplicate itself and attached by centromere. Yes, so the answer is chromatin condenses and make one chromosome. One chromosome consists of 2 chromatids. Yes, this is chromatin condenses. chromatin condenses. Condenses, it becomes thick. It becomes thick. Condenses. Okay? This is what happens during prophase. What happened during second stage, second phase of the mitosis? Prophase, يبقى second metaphase. So write metaphase, metaphase. What happened during metaphase? Chromosomes attached to spindle fiber at each centromere and line up attached from the centromere to each centrioles. We have two centrioles or pair of centrioles in each side opposite to each other. The chromosomes attached to spindle fiber at its centromere and lined up. This is metaphase stage or phase, second phase of mitosis. Third phase, anaphase. What happened during anaphase? Chromatids separate. Now, the spindle fiber attach the chromosome from the centromere in each side, separate itself, and to make two separate cells. Yes, to make two separate daughter cells. So the most famous one, anaphase, chromatids separate. Chromatid separate. So write chromatid. Chromatid separate. To give me separate cell with organelles and with chromosome, single chromosome. Last phase from mitosis, prophase, metaphase, anaphase. Last one, telophase. Last one, telophase. Telophase. What happened during telophase? New nuclear envelope forms and spindle fiber disappeared. Sure, خلاص السبندل فايبر عملت الوظيفة بتاعتها، الجوب بتاعها ان هي عملت سيباريت وقدرت تجمع لي الاورجانيز بتاعت كل سيل في ناحية. خلاص انا مش محتاجاها تاني، فبيحصل لها اختفاء disappeared، ويبتدي يتكون تاني nuclear envelope to surround the organelles of each new cells. Yes? Thank you all of you.